Welcome back, everybody. We're here at Manary Park in Roselle to check this one out. Subscribe to the channel so you see all our future adventures. Comment down below if there's a playground you think that we should check out. So let's go check this one out, guys.
Let's go, Aya.
Got a nice little shaded picnic area here. Tyler going up the tree ladder. Good job, Tyler. I got some interesting metal stepping stones here going up. Anytime you want. Oh, he crashed. Yeah, there's a bump in the middle. Whoa! Tyler landed it. We got a lemonade stand. You got lemonade for sale? Can I buy one? Oh, it's a ladder. But it talks about all the stuff that they have around. Tyke's Trail. You got another little ladder going up here. Oh, goes up higher. We got a rock climbing wall that looks like rocks. Oh, careful. Oh. Here goes Tyler. Whoa.
Oh, he landed it!
Oh, yeah. Monster Mutt landed it. They got some little chairs here so the kids can relax in the middle. Another interesting ladder going up to the bigger slide. Oh, Tyler's gonna go for it. You want me to hold your Monster Mutt? There we go. That'll make it easier. And Tyler brought Monster Mutt Husky. Oh, good climbing, Tyler. Timmy going up the sign ladder. Oh, we landed it. Oh, Spider-Man landed it. Whoa. And who do we got here, Timmy? Oh, you brought the Hot Wheels. You gotta keep it further away. There you go. Oh, and Ari brought Spider-Man. Cool. And they have one of these cool spinner things, but there's only really 2 seats. You could also stand on it, turn the wheel to make it go. Oh, it's spinning. Wait your turn, Tyler. Oh, Spider-Man crashed. Oh, he didn't even make it off the slide. Oh, Timmy's went daredevil off the slide, but he landed it. Oh. Go up to the top. I'll give it to you at the top. You need both hands to climb. Let him up there, Timmy. Timmy, get out of his way. Oh, good job, Tyler. Don't. There you go. Doing good. Great job, Ari. Ari, watch out. Here it comes. Oh.
I'm up. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this, Victor. You can't do that.
Give him some room, Ari. Oh no. You made it, Timmy. Good job. Oh. And then the little piece over here, it's got a little stump ladder, or log ladder, I guess.
It's my turn, Spider-Man. Now, come out.
There's also a little bench under the slide where they can relax.
Yeah.
You going to that slide? Oh, Spider-Man landed it. And Ari landed it. Oh, they got a little steering wheel over here.
Ooh.
Vroom, vroom. Ari's taking a seat on the bench. Nice shaded area to relax. On this side, they got a little corkscrew ladder and a regular staircase to go up.
Come on, Dad, you have to run away.
And then there's a two-person slide on this side. Oh, they both crashed. And they got a baseball field over here. And a soccer field. And then there's some walking trails that go all the way around. And they have a porta potty. Something that all the playgrounds need. They got a little fishing area over here.
Yeah, by the water.
Yeah, let's check it out. They're in the water.
Oh no, the motorcycle.
Little pond to fish it. Oh, someone lost their motorcycle somehow.
Yeah, we dropped one.
What'd you guys think of this playground? It was a good one? You tell people to come back here? All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel so you see all of our future adventures. Hit the like button. Comment down below if there's a playground you think that we should check out. And until our next video, we'll see you next time.